Yee, whoa! Oh, I've been bladed. Today's little RC airplane is the Cub Sport S2, and this is a beginner airplane. And I'm such a beginner, and it's got like safe mode and all that. It's a tiny little thing. Here's the plan. So I'm gonna fly this plane up in the air, and then once I get at altitude, I'll have you launch the Tornado, and this one circles around nice. And then I'll just see if I can come close to it or touch it or something. Okay. I don't know. We'll take turns and we'll see how it goes. Safe mode's engaged. Alright, I'm just gonna bring it up a bit.
Alright, I'm gonna launch mine. See if I get it. I don't even know where I'm at. There it is.
Chasing it. Chasing it. Oh. That's hard.
Yeah. Where to go?
Right, follow the plane. Follow the big plane. You'll see it. Dive it down. I'm having a hard time.
Yeah. Oh, you hit it!
Did it!
Yeah. I don't know if I got it recorded.
I got it! That was from underneath. Belly flop.
I don't wonder if I got it recorded or not.
Safe mode's off.
All right, safe mode's off. You're better at this than I am, so let's see how this goes. Here we go again. Get it. It's a squirrely thing, isn't it? It circles, but it's still hard. You can predict it.
Yeah. And it's kind of hard to have that speed.
Yeah. Woo.
Oh well.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Nice launch. Good. Good approach. Oh, you got to keep your turn tight. Oh, like it. Oh, good try to the end. That was awesome, Bruce.
A little bit better.
Nice attempt.
Glide speed might be too much speed on it.
Yep. Okay, let's give it a go.
Alrighty.
Come in from underneath. That's what I did. Ooh. Yee, whoa! Oh, I've been bladed. Ah, that didn't hurt a bit.
I know.
Little foamy thing.
It tore it up in pieces.
Well, I wrecked it one day. Well, hey guys, thanks for joining us, Nighthawk Gliders.
See you later.
Catch you.
Oh, there goes the battery.
Catch you again next time. Bye.
Bye. This is a fun one. I like this one.
It's great. Buzz in the tower. Beautiful sunset.